Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be testing our Cub Cadet original. If you've been following this project, you will know that originally we were hoping this tractor was just going to need a little bit of tinkering to get running. However, that was not the case. We spent quite a while doing engine work and then had some various other problems, like replacing an oil seal on the back axle. We had to rebuild the clutch mechanism. We did a rebuild of the steering column and everything involved with that. So we've done quite a bit on this tractor, definitely not just a little bit of tinkering, but every time that we finish one of these jobs, it seems to take us ages, so it's always dark or there's bad weather whenever we finish. However, we've found a day now where there's decent weather and we've put the day aside to do some testing of this tractor. The main remaining job that we've got is a front end rebuild at some point, taking the wear out of the steering rods and the front axle pivot, everything like that. So we know we've got that job to do, so we'll keep that in mind when we're testing this, but otherwise it's just finding any other jobs that need doing to this tractor. We have the tractor off the workbench now, and we just had a visit from some of our tractor friends, so it was good to catch up with them, but it does mean that we might be fighting for daylight again today, so we'll have to get on with this a bit with our test drive. And what we will do in just a second is we will start up the tractor, hopefully, and let it warm up for a couple of minutes, and we can take it for a drive. Not too sure how windy it is outside, so there might be a bit of wind noise in the background of the video. We will see. We will cross that bridge when we come to it. maybe not quite enough revs. So we are back from our test drive now, and the Cub Cadet could have done that all day. We only stopped because it's starting to get dark now. So we'll have a bit of an overview of what we think of the Cub Cadet following that test drive. I mean, the engine was perfectly smooth, didn't miss a beat, and it sounded very nice out of that stationary engine exhaust, so no complaints there really. It's nice the clutch actually disengages now. And as you saw, one time I did stall it because I didn't put enough revs on going to third gear. You need quite a bit to go into third gear, but when you're in third gear, as you saw a couple of times, or in a few of those clips, it does move pretty quickly. So good range of speeds on this. However, that did highlight just how much the front wheels can wobble about on the stub axles. So that and tightening up the steering really showed us that the whole front axle assembly work would be nicer to do sooner rather than later, and then all of the steering system is tightened up and you don't have the clunking sound from the wheels going backwards and forwards or side to side as you drive along. But besides that, I don't think it really highlighted any jobs that we necessarily need to do. I did think there was a major engine issue at one point, but no, that was a helicopter going over. That was a bit concerning at first, but we soon... Sorry for that interruption. That weird noise at the end there was my mum and sister coming back from doing a litter pick on our road with loads of rubbish that people have thrown out the window as they're driving past. Quite annoying, but as I was saying, with the Cub Cadet, no new jobs have emerged from that test drive, so we're pretty happy with that. We do need to refit the rear hitch at some point, and we're still looking for an auto-colto plough with the fitting to go into this style of hitch. So if anyone's got a 9-inch auto-colto plough that they'd like to sell in the UK, ideally as close to the east of England as possible, then do let us know. We'd be interested in having a look and possibly purchasing one. But with that, I think we can call today a bit of a success with the Cub Cadet. Let us know in the comment section below what you think of it. But that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.